Yebeji Mokas. Me say, Bawumia, ma bonipa to Ghana for 8 years. So Bawumia, you do not speak. Mr. Did you get the Bawumia statement? I really want to see the statement. Mr. P, I just saw the statement. I just saw the first statement from Bawumia. It's a long statement too. In fact, let me read everything. Bawumia, a very foolish man. Bawumia, a very, very foolish man. Now, Mahama ne keep peace or Ghana, and I say Kufa ne keep peace or Ghana. Jimmy, saying this for a problem. Why not also or stop us our problem? No, and yet Ghana Police Service. Oh, Jimmy, and you know where the head of police council. Jimmy, why are you not telling the IGP to make sure security in our Ghana? Bawumia, Jimmy pa. Oh, I don't want to catch him. I call with Jimmy. Ya can't be beba. Let me read the statement. Oh, some catch him. So we Jimmy. On Shada onim yansebia. Now let me read the Bawumia statement. Now this is Bawumia statement. Now in the Ghana, when I shaninsa kwasiato enshamunsa. When I hand it over Mahama, nobody has handed power to Mahama. And no channel Pamufi Jubilee House where Jimmy. Let's read the nonsense from Bawumia. This is Mahmoud Bawumia statement. Bawumia Jimmy Kra or Jimmy Kra. This is Bawumia statement. Muntie. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, please call your supporters to order to preserve the peace and unity of the country. I have noted with deep concern the embarrassing state of lawlessness and thuggery being unleashed on innocent Ghanaians and state institutions by members of the National Democratic Congress. Where is your evidence? You are a foolish man. Now, I wish to call on the President-elect, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, to exhibit statesmanship. To exhibit statesmanship. Where is the statement even? To exhibit statesmanship by reigning in his supporters. Reigning in his supporters in order to preserve the peace and unity of the country. There have been many incidents of NDC members besieging coalition centers with offensive weapons to forcibly declare NDC parliamentary candidates as winners of some parliamentary contests. We believe that this is not in keeping with the democratic culture we are all trying to nurture. Jimmy, now this is the second statement from Bawumia, and the statement, this is the second part of it. Jimmy, I am so saddened by the indifference and silence on the part of Mr. John Dramani Mahama and the NDC in relation to the violence and mayhem being unleashed on members of the NPP and other people perceived to be sympathizers. These wanton acts of lawlessness and brutality have been extended to state institutions and public offices, looting and stealing state properties in the process. As a result of this, some public offices were forced to close for business. In a bizarre twist, these barbaric acts are being extended to private homes and properties of individuals, with some receiving death threats. Jimmy Nikoso say it is regrettable that these reprehensible acts are being perpetrated following an electoral process that has been widely touted as credible. We must at all times place the national interest over and above any individual interest. I would like to remind President Mahama that he has won an election. He has not staged a coup d'etat. He has a responsibility to contribute to protect lives and property. Now, I'll say, I believe President Mahama and NDC know that if these acts continue, people will be compelled to take reasonable steps to defend themselves. The last thing anybody wants is to mar the beauty of the successful election that has just been concluded. Mr. Mahama and the NDC should demonstrate that they are not reluctant Democrats. Thank you. Mahmoud Bawumia sama wacho nyumbre say, I or catch John Mahama say, on country NDC for na NDC for enjoy etutrasem. Na ono de onim say etutrasem a ekoso Ghana ha no eye NDC for kwasia. Where is your evidence? You are still the head of the police council. You are the head of Ghana police. You are a foolish man. And these are the filthy, dirty people. Also, the Acheampong say, oh, Bawumia there. He said, well, Jimmy, one no whiskey, no church on Kwasasem. Today, Ghana, who is in charge of Ghana? You are a foolish man. Why not? And nam Ghana, how wakwachi NDC ni say, machi NDC could cause a problem. You are a foolish man. Wait, Jimmy. And you people are not supposed to be considered. Oh, NDC for her. Someone NPP for way opportunity to work freely in this country. I swear to God. We and you people, mundi 1 year in power. And this is your Mahama. I swear to God. Mama Bawumia Acheampong when NPP Krom Mama move room in Ghana to fool like this. You people within a year, you John Mahama, you were out of power. We are telling you people. These people are not even supposed to be talking in Ghana. And just a day, and they declare election. So they are blaming you for their stupid thing. And today, this foolish, dirty old soul who has lost an election miserably in the history of Ghana, Kwasiabian lose the election, say that over 6 million votes. Nipana stretching over 2 million. Jimmy, for Jimmy Koda. Bawumia Jimmy, for Jimmy Koda. Kwasiato kachira oyerena wababa ni nemu nam Gyamfi say uncle consistently security. Ghana ni etino when you head of police council today, you are a foolish man. Oh ya kwasia. Is Mahama the commander-in-chief of Ghana Armed Forces? Now Ghana Police no more. What is the job of the Ghana Police Service? You are a very stupid man. And we are not going to entertain you people again. Whatever we will do to come after you people, we will do it. Because at this point, you cannot reason beyond your stupid politics. Now, some kwasiade when I just say NPP before, some be flag bearer nana. Some with Jimmy some way, and a massa be side mono. You. Yewini John Mahama bought 2 million votes in the history of Ghana. Yewu Jimmy will lose to say that in the history of Ghana. Una Jimmy will lose pa. The whole Ghana since 1992 year to about Jimmy will lose with a wider margin. And you are the head of the police council. Go to the police headquarters and make a decision. You are a foolish man. Kwasia, what can we good them some kuko? And I will catch NPP for some kubo too. What can we good them some kuko and kuko? We make good them some kuko. Foolish guy. Jimmy, ye Jimmy tina wabedru hanne. Waka umane gudamu sa nkoko. E umana wode atrisho musema muntu minti se duane din. Waka gudamu sa nkoko. Ena ye bo biba tu otepa. Jimmy, wabegina TV so say, wabegina Facebook say, John Mahama and take a decision. Kwasia, you are still president till 7 December, January. Kwasia, 33 policies no de breme. Ujina stage na wo sase ekono. Sa 33 policies no kwasia me na me ye. Why don't you take the same opportunity to take a decision? Sankwasiafo mo NPP fo mu ja o mo ahu de NDC fo mu ja nkwasiafo ya ade be mo krum ha no mo aban kura nya mu de. I'm telling you people. Hello caller.
Yes, hello. Please, you can just check on their letter. That is the agreement among political parties.
Go ahead.
Hello. Yes, we in Damawu constituency. There is no CPP representative here. It was an independent candidate. It was the NDC, the NPP, and the CPP. No CPP parliamentary candidate was involved. So this one is a fake letter.
Thank you very much.
There was no CPP candidate. It was an independent candidate, and both the NDC and the NPP.
NPP for Yabeshemoka. Yabejimukas. Me say, Bawumia, listen. Ma bonipa to Ghana for 8 years. So Bawumia, you do not speak. NPP forecast Yabesheno. I am telling you. O NPP Nibia or Ghana and they are now okay kufuado aban. Be careful. Yabejimukas, Yabeshimodine. We will come to your homes because of Mahmoud Bawumia Kwasiade Oyen. He is in charge of security in Ghana. The NDC supporters say NPP for you so easy to do any damage. We will come after you, the NPP. Abronye, Chairman to me, Miracle Abwaje, yes, Samuel Abujina Po, more NPP for we will come after you. We know where all your properties are. I mention more properties in Kwasia for. You be treasure to. It's a foolish guy. More maybe more properties, baby. See. I'm starting from Lord Komi, and more Amaka. I didn't even want to start this now, but this is what we are going to do. Jimmy, what Samira Bawumia Kwasia we will see hotel. Onyeska Wayne, foolish man. You, maybe this. You see, let me show you this building. Omo frontier mamo. Those who are fronting for you fools, Kwasia for this apartment. Mamenchiro, you be trejatum. Mudisi Jimmy on more. Bawumia de mabetu position we. You be shimu japadi ni na Ghana. Yeti Krom ha. Kwasia for more. Moya nkwasa samni ye kano na mo start Facebook Jimmy mo ho See this. I will show you people. You see this property? My mention location. We didn't want to do this, but we are going to start this. Now, this apartment, a Fifth Avenue apartment, a Lord Comedia. Now, this apartment, a rich condos on the frontier Lord Come. I'm going to come show all the addresses where they are. This one belongs to Lord Come. Rich condos. He is the one fronting for Lord Come. Your friend Fifth Avenue apartment, Lord Come there. Now, make sure the location where it is. Where rich condos Kumasi. Now, Mama Chow Nina. Make sure Bako Agya. Let me show you the Agya one. Kwasiafo, Lord Bawumia. You bet, Modia Mrs. 7 December, you saw Mahama in Rihanna, but any page Jim Kromwa. Kwasiafo. Let me show you. Mo Jimmy na mugu Ghana ho. Nkwasiadia mu ye nyina yen kan bibia. Also the kwasia betina say you should blame Mahama for nkwasiadia easy. We will burn all your houses, we will burn your cars. We will prove to you people say adena mu be wia no. Ya be shiri nyina ma ye nyina tena kromo. Kwasia. Now this one. This property, this property. Make some properties nyina. And you for mo ya kasi ya kama asem Ghana anka mo ye beda Ghana ho. This meba this one. Sir, edawi. Mame chiro kwasiafo. We will yebeshimu dining mo yebeshim mona medwin say munim nyansa. I thought you people were intelligent, but end them the moon so Bawumia we Jimmy. We ewo Agya. It belongs to Lord Come. Meba be chiramu where a luxury apartment. Your friend Fifth Avenue luxury apartment. It belongs to Lord Come. This apartment is Jabetum. Now say Bawumia now the head of police council. We will see what will happen in Ghana. Now, Mama Chow idea. Me chiramu kusibu ating. Oh Bawumia. Hey. Meba. This one is for kusibu ating. He's making some small boy front for him. Kwasiafo, what be Joseph Mahama is to take blame for Monkwasi Adi Amoye. This one belongs to Kusibu Ating. There's a small boy who is fronting for Kusibu Ating. These are the kind of apartment. And you people will come and prove to us where you got your money to be building these apartments. Where Kusibu Ating apartments. And there's this small boy who is fronting for Kusibu Ating. This is the boy who is fronting for Kusibu Ating. This boy. This is the boy who is fronting for Kusibu Ating. This boy. Odona Kusibu Ating apartment. You be Freda CID officer Busan say, "Ono on chair the baby oye jumanye sika to sada no." Kwasia, me say lifestyle audit. You be busamu nyina. Now this boy, he is the one fronting for Kusibu Ating. Make sure momo properties in nyina BBC and you answer questions. This boy, this is the guy me can ask him when Kusibu Ating sika no we wi nyina boy we di mu na wo. All the apartment and properties at Kusibu Ating akwa, it is in this boy's name. He will be called to tell us how he made money to build all these estates. Kusibu Ating sika and all that shabo we di mu. And let me tell you, you people have no idea. Me say the day John Mahama will be sworn in, sir, day no, 10 hours after John Mahama is sworn in, the law in Ghana will not work. Now, Bamenka be binchamo. Sa edana ma church mechire me biawo ni nyina wa Agya baby a ni nyina si. Mechire omo dia. This boy will have to come. Kusibu Ating properties. Bawumia properties nkwasiafo. Na mo just ye Jimmy ana. Ye betwe jatum, ye besa kwahyemo. Mo dia mo Bempah na 7 January ne mba. Na 7 January ni be duru krum ho. Na ye so John Mahama in. Na John Mahama ko ni power for 24 hours. Onim Ghana ntira. Ye nimbe bia sikali nyina ahye sa Rock City Hotel no ye nimbe bia mo vote ni nyina awo kwasiafo mo yesi anim bia mo vote ni nyina awo Ghana we know eja bia beto mutirim no wo Bawumia you have no idea kwasiafo yesi ejimi those boys now mo front ma mo ni nyina no we will show you people where your vote is kwasiafo ye be shimo dan ni nyina agufom and John Mahama on the team they make sure said the law works obi a watam Ghana sika bia should come and prove boy we he needs to be called by Agya in the CID office. He needs to come and tell Ghana for how he made the money at Atlantic Bank. Kusibu Ating accounts in Anidina Daso. how he was able to build all these estates. Me say, some estate. The people says, how did he make the money to build this? Where did he get the money to buy this? Where did he get the money? A one about nipa tata nipa. We Ghana mbram. Siafo. Yatina Ghana na yaso so. Si a bomu nyina mutu to twene kwa siafo mu nim nyansa. Hello caller.
Hello.
Yeah, kasa ditio.
Pacho information bi na medima fi mikasa fi eskado katan na friend then Charles we fi constituency or mark there or Accra and the opekwan egwan nti obombodi na woman can my airport na border towns no.
Mate, thank you, Nyamisho. All right, thank you. Hello, caller. Hey, Bawumia, how many people? We were thinking of being smart from being nice from now. Nobody's going to be nice again. Jimmy, on whiskey now church on Kwasa and Wel'l Jimmy. Since you take Ghana, Obiani wa Wel'l Porto say that. We don't time to work at Kwasa Sam. Mahama president. Mahama wanted it to me actually in same. On tan I'm Ghana with Jimmy what to nyoma na ye we are Uru Jimmy church or letters. Oh, Facebook Buating. This is the boy who is fronting for Kusi Buating. This is the boy who is fronting for Kusi Buating. This boy. Or don't Kusi Buating apartment. You be friend about CID officer Busan say, or no on chair the baby o ye jumanye sika to sa dan no. Kwasia me say lifestyle the audit. You be busamu nyina. Now this boy, he is the one fronting for Kusi Buating. Metro Momo properties in Yina BBC, and you answer questions. This boy, this is the guy I can ask him. When Kusi Buating Sikana, where we are in a boy, we dimunewo. All the apartment and properties at Kusi Buating acquire, it is in this boy's name. He will be called to tell us how he made money to build all these estates. Kusi Buating Sika and all that boy we dimu. And let me tell you, you people have no idea. Me say the day John Mahama will be sworn in. Sir, day no 10 hours after John Mahama is sworn in, the law in Ghana will not work. Now, but me can be binchemo. Sir, a dynama church, metro will be a war, Nina wa jirgano, baby a Nina see. Metro mo this boy will have to come. Kusi Buating properties, Bawumia properties in Kwasia 4. I'm just here, Jimmy Anna. Hey, you better jatum, you better question. Modia Mombampa na 7 January number. Na 7 January ni be dru krumu ho. Na ye swear John Mahama in. Na John Mahama ko ni power for 24 hours. Onim Ghana ntra. Ye nim be bia sikali nyina ahye. Sa Rock City Hotel no. Ye nim be bia mo vote ni nyina awo. Kwasiafo mo yesi anim. Be bia mo vote ni nyina awo Ghana. We know. Egya bia beto mutirim no wo Bawumia. You have no idea. Kwasiafo yesi ejimi. Those boys now mo front ma mo ni nyina no. We will show you people where your vote is. Kwasiafo ya best mo dining in agu form. And the John Mahama on the team, they make sure said the law works. Obia watam Ghana Sikebia should come and prove. Boy, wait, he needs to be called by Agya in the CID office. He needs to come and tell Ghana for how he made the money at Atlantic Bank. Kusi Buating accounts in Anidina Daso. How he was able to build all these estates. Me say, some estate. The people says, how did he make the money to build this? Where did he get the money to buy this? Where did he get the money? A one about nipa tata nipa. We Ghana mbram. Siafo. Yatina Ghana na yaso so. Si bomu nyina mutu to twene kwa siafo mu nim nyansa. Hello caller.
Hello.
Yeah, kasa ditio.
Pacho information bi na medima fi mikasa fi eskado katan na friend then Charles we fi constituency or mark there or Accra and the opekwan egwan nti obombodi na woman can my airport na border towns no.
Mate, thank you, Nyamisho. All right, thank you. Hello caller. Hey, Bawumia, how many people? We were thinking of being smart from being nice from now. Nobody's going to be nice again. Jimmy, on whiskey now church on Kwasa and Wel'l Jimmy. Since you take Ghana, Obiani wa Wel'l Porto say that. We don't time to work at Kwasa Sam. Mahama president. Mahama wanted it to me actually in same. On tan I'm gonna wait Jimmy want to nyoma na ye wini we are. Udu Jimmy church letters. Oh, Facebook. Go ahead. Hello caller.